Hey everybody, welcome back to Part-Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We are here today for another construction update. And I thought we'd start somewhere we haven't been yet, the walls of Toontown. It's not really much to see, it's just a wall. Can't see anything beyond it, can't see what's going on back there. But we can look at this concept art of what will be coming when Toontown does reopen. Yeah, unfortunately we can't really see the progress or anything that's going on back there. But just wanted to come and check this out since we've never been here and seen it. But make sure you guys like and subscribe and come check out what else is going on around Disneyland's construction besides this wall of Toontown. Most of the walls in New Orleans Square are down, but there are still walls up around Pirates. Pirates is still closed, but I believe they did announce a reopening date of June 30th, so excited to see Pirates reopen. And then Tarzan's still under construction, but most of the stump has been removed for this entryway right here, which should open up this path once it's fully gone. So we'll keep an eye on that and keep checking back. And hopefully we'll hear news soon about what the retheme will be. Alright, taking a look at Pirates. Don't see anything different. Still just a pile of dirt. But it'll be reopening end of June. I think it was June 30th. So we'll keep checking on the progress until then. Hopefully we maybe see some work getting done. And start to see what it's going to look like when it's finished. I'm curious to see if there are... Oh, there's like a big mound of dirt right there. I don't know if I can get it. It's like a big mound of dirt. So curious to see what the changes, if any, are to the Pirates queue when it reopens. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out on that and keep you guys updated. So I don't know if this counts as construction, but the flagpole here in Frontierland at the entrance, the plaque, is behind walls, kind of mini walls for some reason. It's a weird and interesting and unexpected development. But we'll see what, if anything, goes on here. I wonder what it's closed off for.
Below us is the submarine lagoon, where you can dive into adventures and underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home to the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we're now approaching the Tomorrowland monorail station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew.
Alright, that'll do it from today's construction update. We finally got to see downtown Disney from the monorail. We saw the big empty lot and what looks like maybe a hole or pool or something they were digging. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that and see how that ends up turning out. I'm excited for what they're building there because I heard it's like a dumpling shop and I do love dumplings. And then we got to finally see Nemo too, filled up with water. So that was super exciting as we were on the monorail getting to check out all of those different views. Checking on Tarzan, Pirates, Toontown, everything that was going on. So make sure you guys tune in for more construction updates. We'll keep updating as we keep making our trips. But thank you guys for watching.